Hey everybody, it's Cam Johnston down here at Penticton Toyota. Do you love massive trucks? Because we've got a huge truck here and it's available. Here's Tahnee. She's going to tell you all about it. Tahnee, tell us about this truck.
Hey everyone, Tahnee here from Penticton Toyota. This truck is so big it needs two of us to talk about it. It is a 2023 TRD Off Road Limited. It is currently available and it will not be available for long. This is a Crew Max, so you have room for all of your friends.
New Tundra, new glass. Check out that huge sunroof. Panoramic, baby. Tahnee, hit that rear glass. Yep, still rolls down, just like the old Tundra. Let's go to the lake. Check out the wheel and tire setup on this bad mamma jamma. 295, 65, R18, Goodyear Wrangler, all-terrain tires wrapped over a beautiful alloy wheel there. How do we fit this big a wheel and tire, you're asking? Oh, well, this guy has the Toyota TRD Lift in it. Roush forged control arms, Bilstein tuned shocks, offering 3 inches of lift in the front and 2.5 in the rear. This thing is sitting mean, sitting pretty, jacked up and country. On the inside of this limited package TRD Off Road Crew Max 2023 Tundra, it's jam-packed with fantastic features such as cloud-based navigation, heated and cooled seats. And for all you cold hand havers out there, tell us about the steering wheel, Tahnee.
As you know, I love a heated steering wheel, baby. No gloves in here.
No gloves in here. So if you're on the hunt for a cool new truck and have been shopping around for one of these new Tundras, we all know how hard they are to find, you should definitely hit us up because this guy is still available. Is that not right, Tahnee?
It is absolutely right. Let us know. We're here to help you out, here to get you into this beautiful, available vehicle.
And don't worry, if she's not tall enough, we can go bigger. You want bigger rims, bigger tires, not a problem. We can make this thing massive.